We're presenting to Jason a legendary auto group in recognition of your years of outstanding contribution to American Legion Post 38 and Veterans Program in our community while hosting the annual Chili Dog Contest 2023.
That's awesome.
And this I have. It was funny because last year they said to me, "Oh, we only have 16.5 to give you. We'd love to double that." And I'm like, "Yeah, it would be nice. I don't see that happening." And then everybody's looking at this big old check. And then when they turn around and show it to me, it just brought tears to my eyes because they had collected over $32,000 in donation to the post. Totally amazing. Jason, they have to find vehicles because when they do their events, they get vehicles and they refurbish it and they donate it to a veteran in need. So my thing is, if we have anybody or if the city has any vehicles that they could donate one vehicle at least, let them refurbish it and fix it up, and then we'd give it to a veteran in need. We would identify a veteran in the community in need.
The American Legion Post 38 is truly a remarkable organization in that it gives back to veterans within our community and helps people. And they're intimately, connected to the veteran community, so they really know like who's struggling, who needs help, and who can provide that. Working with Kevin Offerman at City Tavern over the past several years doing the chili dog eating competition, there's no better organization to contribute to than the American Legion Post 38. Each year we try to do better than the last year. Well, we doubled this year, so we're really in trouble next year. So
You can do it.
I know. We are not a 501c3. We do this because it's the right thing to do. Right? It's about helping people in the community. So if there's anybody that you're aware of that has vehicles that could be serviced, because no one knows better. I mean, how did it go with the van that we gave away?
Bobby cried.
Yeah.
It did. It's amazing. Really, it was amazing. They gave a van. Mike, our guy here, when he seen it, he could not believe that somebody built that much van.
Legendary Automotive and Truck Service. We're right across from the Edison Mall on Courtney Drive. I like to think we're the best kept secret in Fort Myers right now because I still haven't replaced the sign that got destroyed from the hurricane. Getting back to the cars, I mean, that's really what we look for, is trying to partner with organizations that are intimately connected within our community. It's a hand up, it's not a handout. So when we do these giveaways, we're looking for people that already contribute to our community, and if they had more reliable transportation, they could do more. It also helps bring a lot of attention to the post. And the more help that we can get to the post, the more veterans get help. So that's all I got. But thank you so much. This means a whole bunch.
Okay. Thank you. Appreciate it.